What's up, you guys? Back again with another video for this channel. I know I have been gone for quite a while, but I am back again with a really great video. It is actually a review video. So today I will be reviewing the Unbrush. Yay! Let's get into it.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
So I'll be starting off with a really old, really old, about 3 weeks old wash and go that has a lot of knots tangled up. It need to wash. But before I wash this hair of mine, I will be reviewing this brush. You guys, this brush is known to be the Tangle Untangle brush. It is known to untangle your hair. So I'll get into all of its good benefits. The Unbrush is known to be untangled and not undo. Gently yet throughoutly extract knots and tangles from even the most unruly hair. Painless and effortless. Then it has so many other benefits, but we'll leave that for next time. We're gonna put this brush to the test now because this is truly a challenge. This is a challenge. So I'm gonna start by untangling these little braids that I have to the front.
Your loving hands perfecting me to make me more like you.
Okay, you guys, so this is what we're working with. This is what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get some shoes. I'll be back. I'm gonna start off by sectioning the hair. So yeah. Oof. Okay, my fingers can't even. Oh my gosh, it is so tangled in the back there. Ooh. Okay, I'll be putting this piece to the side. A lot of hair. Don't mind those boxes in the back, you guys. You just have to unbox them and tidy up a bit. Okay, I'll be starting off with the back. See? Look at this. Look at this. Look. This is what we're working with, you guys. Oof. Trying to gently unravel it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am trying my utmost, very best to do not pull the hair to bust it. Okay, I got through. Okay, here I go. Da 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 da. The Unbrush. I heard a lot about this brush. I heard so much good news. Okay, the first thing that I am seeing that it is very light. Oh, it is so light. It's like a toy. And as you can see, it has like holes in it. It wanna look like honeycomb holes. And then these are the bristles. So this is what it is looking like. So yeah, I'm gonna section this part to don't have too much hair. My hair is very thick. And what I heard about this brush is that your hair don't need to be wet in order for it to detangle the hair. Your hair can be dry as well. Okay, first section. I'm gonna start off with the ends. If you guys see little things flying, my hair is dirty. Okay. Wow. It is gliding through so well. Okay. And you guys, it is not hurting. You see, it is pulling the hair, but it is not hurting. Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll separate it. You see, this is the knot. Oh my gosh. This is the knot. Okay. I don't want to bust my hair. Okay. I got you to separate it once more. Let me go in now. Wow. Okay. You guys, this will work wonders on my daughter's hair. Wonders. It is not hurting. I'm literally feeling like all the knots is being untangled. Wow. And that's it. That is it, you guys. Untangled. Look at that. Whoa, this brush. Okay, let me go ahead and try this other piece. My hair is really knotted, you guys. Really, really knotted. Whew. It's doing the job. It's doing the job. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, there's a little knot here. Wow. So this whole part is detangled.
King of kings and Lord of peace, you sanctify me through the truth.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This.
I haven't felt a love so warm and good like yours. Jesus, you're always with me. Spiritual blessings with your hand of protection, and you give me more. Jesus, you're always forgive me. I need your love from you, from you, from you. I need more of you, of you, of you. Lord, you paid for all of my mistakes, and you'll keep me blameless on that day when I meet you, meet you, meet you. I can
Okay, you guys, so I'll go ahead off camera and I'll finish my whole hair. And of course, I'll be back to give my honest final review. Okay, you guys, so I am finally finished and I just wanted to show you guys how much hair came out of my head. This is it, you guys, so a handful of hair. So I find that this is a lot of hair, and this is the main reason why it is so important to wash your hair, to take care of your hair, to worry with your hair, you know, quite often, once a week or twice a week the most, but do not leave it 3 weeks up to a month. These are the results you will get if you do. So this is not good at all. I learned my lesson. Thank God I am not bald. LOL. But coming back to the brush, this brush worked wonders, you guys. If you are natural hair, curly hair girl, go and get you this brush. This brush is the bomb. It will save you a lot of time, a lot of pain, because it is painless, and it is affordable for me, because the wonders that this brush does, it is affordable. So yeah, let me go ahead and take out those bantu knots for you guys to see how the hair is looking. Little reminder, my hair is dirty, very dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, but I wanted you guys to see my honest results, and I did it on dry hair, you guys. I detangled, I brushed out my hair on dried hair, detangle it on dried hair, and yeah, this is what we are working with. That's a lot of hair. That's oof. That's a lot of hair. And thanks to the Unbrush brush for doing such a great job. Give this video a big huge thumbs up, and stay tuned for more natural hair, and go ahead and copy this brush, you guys. Don't forget to leave some comments down below and turn on your notification bell, that way you can be notified whenever I post brand new videos. See you guys next time.
I can rest and say it's by your grace that